Super Saiyan Gohan with the short hair. So it's like kid Gohan, maybe teen Gohan, preteen Gohan. I'm not sure what the official sort of age timeline is. But he was definitely a kid when he had the short hair. But imagine like Beast Gohan with this. I think they should do it. It would look really good. Let's try. Landscape page, pencil, eraser, hit pose if I go too fast. Portrait of him, 3/4 pose. So I'm going to start with his big eyebrow. So as always, a check mark. It's kind of real curvy eyebrow they give him in this one. Right. And then like a box at the end, like a square sort of end to the eyebrow. And then we curve it back and we get smaller as we go back towards the start, where we started. So square eyes. So this one is a small line. And then we get the long line diagonal here. And then you curve those together. Then we get his Super Saiyan green eye underneath. And his pupil black. Just in there, looking intense. Cheek lines, of course, you know, that Dragon Ball characters have. There's like some on his forehead as well. So his other eye, so we get the frown, so that sort of, you know, a square sort of frown that they have sometimes in the middle of their forehead. And then the other eyebrow comes out from the other side. So you just do this check mark again. It's shorter, kind of goes a bit more vertical. But still sort of curves down at the end. It's just smaller. And then we have the square end. Then we bring it back down. Skinny at the front. So again, we have the box-like eye. So we have short line there, and then the diagonal line here, and then we just lightly curve them together. And then again, he's looking up at us, so a very, very thin green iris in there, and then the pupil. Looking up. We got like some extra wrinkles on his nose because he's like super angry. Maybe like a frowning forehead line. Oh, and the cheek lines just follow the bottom of his eye there. So his nose sticking out. So we go out, down at the front, and then it like curves back. And they always like to add the shadow underneath, so they do sort of like a little sort of triangle just under here. And then we get an angry sort of downturned mouth, right? So it's kind of flat, right? Say at first. Kind of looks cool like that, actually. But then you make him super grumpy and you turn it down. Maybe the other end flicks up a little bit. Just like that. And then his bottom lip, just like there. So like, because a head is a curved object, right? You'll see that like curve. So like the center line for his head is like curving around. So his chin will be sort of down here. You know what I mean? And like the middle of his hair, so it'll be that way. So it's a curved thing. So because we're in 3/4, we get jaw here, but cheekbone on this side, right? So it kind of like goes out there, turns around his cheek, and then goes up towards the eyebrow. Like that. And then his jaw. Change direction up. He was just so cool in his youth, Gohan. Especially the Cell Saga was crazy. So his earlobe is here. And then above that we have his sideburn for his hair, which kind of goes in behind his hair spike. Got like some hatching just there. So, big ears in Dragon Ball, so your ear all in here. Up and down. And then ear lines. Right, and then big hair spikes. So like the center, like I said, so it's like the curve. So like the part in his hair is like here. You know, and you have some texture lines just going around. But the big hair spikes then come out. One that way. One just down here. And then they'll go up, back in to there somewhere. Then there's one in the middle. Down there. And then there's like a cluster of loads of them out the front, and then he has this sort of flat area back behind his ear. So we'll bring this one this way, back up in there. And then this one goes that way. And then we'll bring it back in. Then another one in here. And then more on top. There. And then some small spikes back here, because this is when the hair starts to get short at the back. So they like get real small. There's like another one in behind that one. And then we have this kind of cropped flat back of his head. So like that. And it's got like some texture lines on it. And then all the rest of the spikes have the standard Dragon Ball texture lines. You know, you just follow each hair spike with a couple of texture lines. Just make it look hairy and textured. Just one or two on each. Doesn't have to be a major amount. Sometimes there's loads, so it's kind of up to you how many you want to do. It's a totally personal preference thing. Right, so back of his neck, we're kind of looking down at him. So we can see the back of his neck there. And then his trapezius muscle that way. And then the front of his purple Piccolo uniform that he wears. That way, just wrapping around. And then we can see the top of his chest bumping. And then the center line for his chest there. So he's not like overly like crazy muscular or anything. Because he's still young, so his neck that way, although it is like still ridiculously muscular. Adam's apple. Right, then his back comes off down for his shoulder. Just like clothing folds and all this good stuff. And then his t-shirt kind of comes over his shoulder that way. And then on this side, it's all clothing there. And then like a bit of his shoulder here. There he is. And of course, like if you want like little bits of electricity, I know it's not Super Saiyan 2, but still, you know, I think this it could be fire. You could put fire sometimes. So like it's just good to add little sparks of stuff going off, or keep it simple and just leave it like a portrait. It's up to you. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.